Today we've got exclusive footage, some unexpected finds, and we will tell you if there are signs of past life. Let us know if you think people will be able to live on Mars. Let's go! The rover. NASA sent 6 Perseverance rovers in the past years. They plan that the rover's main science experiments will have to wait a few more months, while the engineers continue to test its scientific instruments and prepare for the first helicopter flight on another world. Then the hunt for signs of past life can start. For the hunt, the Perseverance will be equipped with a drill bit, a close-up camera, and multiple chemical sensors. The main job of the rover is to seek signs of ancient life and collect samples of rock and regolith. Those are broken rock and soil for a possible return to Earth. Deposited billions of years ago by a river flowing on Mars would have been an ideal landscape for ancient microbial life had such life existed, but there is a dune field which the rover cannot cross. On April 6, 2021, the rover took a selfie of himself. NASA's revealed some unexpected leaks. The temperatures are estimated to be minus 81 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 63 degrees Celsius. The lakes are so cold that the water would be frozen, even if it contains salty minerals known as perchlorates, which can lower the freezing point of water. The most attractive thing on this mission so far has been the effective organization of NASA's $80 million creativity helicopter named Jenny. The rocks around the landing site seem to have been sculpted by strong winds. One of these rocks is a dismal, odd-shaped thing that scientists have dubbed the harbor seal, for its similarity to a seal perching on a rock. The winds look like to have scoured the rocks largely from the northwest, a direction that matches the major wind patterns calculated by global circulation models for Mars. Maybe you're asking yourself, why Mars? Because Mars is the most accessible place in the solar system and provides the opportunity to possibly answer the question if humanity will be able to live on Mars one day. One NASA technician told fans on Reddit surviving launch charging while en route, surviving the entry, descent, and landing, also deployed from the rover, and surviving the cold Martian night. There are no small tasks. Certainly making an airworthy vehicle that's dinky enough to be stowed on an interplanetary rover is an amazing achievement and paved the way for future missions exploring areas suitable for rovers. As we speak, engineers are greedily collecting data from this one-of-a-kind Finnair copter to be used in the design of smart micro-drones or drones that fly at high altitudes for applications here on Earth. Mars is also the home to the highest mountain and the deepest at the same time, and it is the longest valley in the solar system. The Olympus Mons is 70 miles high and is 3 more times taller than Mount Everest. The Valles Marineris arrangement of values named after the Sailor 9 probe that founded in 1971 comes to a profound as 6 miles and runs east to west for approximately 2,500 miles, which are around 1/5 of the distance around Mars. Researchers believe that the valleys Marineris shaped for the most part by thinning off the covering as it got extended. Individual canyons within the system are as much as 60 miles wide. The canyons merge in the focal piece of the Valles Mariner in a district as large as 370 miles or 600 kilometers wide. Huge channels arising out of the finishes of certain ravines and layered residue inside propose that the gorge may have whenever been loaded up with fluid water. The radiant rust shading Mars is known for is because of the iron-rich minerals in its regolith, which is the free residue and rock covering its surface. The dirt of Earth is a sort of regolith, to albeit one stacked with a natural substance. As per NASA, the iron minerals oxidized or rust, and this makes the dirt look red. In any event, 66% of Mars' surface is more than 3.5 billion years of age, and Mars may hold the best record of the prebiotic conditions prompting life, which may have begun creating as ahead of schedule 8 billion years ago. Observations by NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter have detected carbon dioxide snow clouds on Mars and evidence of carbon dioxide snow falling to the surface. It is based on infrared measurements by the Mars Climate Sounder instrument on the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. The dust storms on Mars are the largest in the solar system, capable of blanketing the entire red planet and lasting 4 months. This is not an easy topic, but at the moment they found no mark of past life. But maybe in the future they will find some aliens, but we'll see. Thank you for watching. Don't forget that you have the whole playlist in the video description.